Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the topic role of zero. What is this? You take any rational number, okay? We are talking about here rational numbers, okay? You take any rational number like 1 by 2. So by adding what number to this 1 by 2, you'll get same answer as 1 by 2, 0. I want some 3. 3 is there. By adding what to 3, you'll get same answer 3, 0. Okay, I'm adding 0 here. 16 by 3 plus what equals to again 16 by 3, 0. So 0 is the only integer. If you add 0 to any other integer, you get the same answer. Okay, I'm adding 0 to 3, so you'll get the same 3. Okay, so this is the specialty of 0. Okay, now that is why 0 is called as 0 is called additive identity. So special name for this 0. So what is this 0 called as? Additive identity. So whenever if I say what is additive identity, you have to say 0. Who is called as additive identity? To which integer we can call additive identity? 0 is called additive identity. Why? Because to any integer if you add 0, the result will be the same whatever you have taken. Okay, 16 plus 3, 16 by 3 plus 0 is equals to 16 by 3. So why 0 is called as additive identity means a plus 0 is equals to a. You are taking a as an integer and you are adding 0. So the result is also same integer, that is a. So that is why 0 is called as additive identity. Okay, 0 plus a equals to a. So this is called as additive identity property. Okay, this. And which integer is called as additive identity? 0 is called as additive identity, and a plus 0 is equals to a, 0 plus a is equals to a is called additive identity property. Clear? The next topic will be role of 1. Now take any example, any rational number. What should I say? Any rational number, or else any rational numbers are nothing but we can even take natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers also. All these are also comes under rational numbers. Okay. Now what is I'm taking 5. 5 into what is equals to again 5. If you I'm taking an integer 5. By multiplying which integer to this 5, again you will get answer as a 5. Simple, 1. Okay. Now 16 into what is equals to again 16, 1. Other than 1, if you multiply any other integer, you won't get the same number, right? I'm taking some 3 by 5, okay, into what is equals to same, again you are going to get 3 by 5. Simple, 1. So 1 is the only integer, or 1 is the only rational number. If you multiply 1 with any other rational number, you will get the same answer. Okay? Other than 1, if you multiply some other number other than 1, you won't get the same answer. So that is why 1 is called as sorry, 1 is called multiplicative identity. Clear? Why 1 is called as multiplicative identity? Because if, for example, for every rational number a, if you take a into 1 will be a, or 1 into a will be a. Okay, so this is called multiplicative identity property. Okay, where 1 is called as multiplicative identity. Clear? Questions. 1 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Minus 2 plus 0 is equals to minus 2 and 0 plus minus 2, 0 of minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Similarly, 1 by 2 plus 0 is equals to 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. So you are adding 0 here so that you are getting the same answer. So that is why, what is this? 0 is called as additive identity. Now this property, which property? This one. If a represents any rational number, then a plus 0 is equals to a and 0 plus a is equals to a is called as additive identity property. Clear? Now, role of 1. What is 3 into what is equals to 3? 1. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Minus 2 into 1 dash is equals to again minus 2. 1. Here also 1. 7 by 8 into 1 is equal to 7 by 8. 1 into 7 by 8 is equals to 7 by 8. That is why 1 is called as multiplicative identity. So, we say that 1 is multiplicative identity for all the rational numbers. Clear?